Assalamu alaikum and hello everybody. For this video, I'm going to make a replacement for this tripod camera rig that I have. Not that there's anything wrong with it, but as you can see here, it is not that bad at all. But after 79 videos, I found myself needing a little bit more elbow room. So to do that, I've designed a phone camera platform on Tinkercad and 3D printed the platform on my flsun 3D printer. Once I could get the settings right, thankfully enough, I did screw up the measuring of the phone's width. It fits an iPhone 13 and any other phones of the same width. To replace the tripod, I got myself four 2 feet tall half-inch PVC pipes and two 4 feet long pipes. The longer pipes will be for the platform and the four shorter ones will be the legs of the platform. I am also going to glue on two pieces of magnets, one piece on the platform and the other one is on this light box so that the rig could give me some amount of downlight. And it's done. FYI, if you like to have this platform design, you can download it from my Thingiverse account. I'll share the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you when I can.